Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from AI Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your account on SecondBrain AI. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser on which you have installed the SecondBrain AI. Now, if you have pinned it to your extensions tab, you will be able to find it right away. Otherwise, you can click on extensions and then click on SecondBrain to access the SecondBrain AI. Now, from the SecondBrain toolbar, scroll down and click on Support and FAQ. This will then take you into the support page for SecondBrain AI. Now, from this page, you will find an email address that you can contact for support. Just copy this email address and then you can log into your email account and then compose a new email. Now, within the to section, just paste this email address that you just copied and in the subject section, type in delete SecondBrain account. Then within the main body, just type in that you don't want to use your SecondBrain AI account anymore and you didn't find any login or logout section from which you can delete your account, so you would like further assistance. After typing in your email, you can simply click on the send button, and once the support team receives your email, you will get a response within a few days. Just follow the response and the instructions within, and your SecondBrain AI account will be deleted. In order to delete the extensions, click on the extensions toolbar and then click on the three dots at the right side of the SecondBrain AI and then click on Remove from Chrome or your web browser. Finally, click on the Remove button and now your SecondBrain AI will permanently be deleted. And there you have it. That is how you can go about on deleting your account on SecondBrain AI. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.